Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we're going to talk about bar and column charts. The charts are a powerful tool to make the data speak for themselves in a louder and clearer way. So whether you are a student or a professional or just someone who is working with data, then this tutorial is for you because in this video, we're going to see how to easily create bar and column charts. And for that, I actually have created some sample data, as you can see here in screen, where there is a product header, and then we can see the sales of 2025, which as of now do not exist. But just because this is dummy data, we have just created this. Now let's say I would like to show it in a form of visualization where the data speak for themselves and we can easily understand what does this mean. For that, what I can do is I can simply select this, all the data field, and then I need to click on insert on the top. And then if you see here in chart group, you can see this option which says insert column or bar chart. Just click on that. And then here you will see option of creating the chart. So just select the chart that you wish to prefer and then make a left click. So in this way guys, we can easily create this column chart. Now you can always customize this chart because maybe your company used different color schema or you do not like the visualization that came out of the box. So in such scenario, you have this option which says change color. So you can quickly change color using this change color tool. However, let's say you want to use your own custom color. In that case, you can simply select any bar and then make a right click. And there we go. Again, you will have option to choose your own color. Let's say you have a hex code. In that scenario, you can click on more fill color. And then in custom here you can put hex code of the palette that you are using. You also have an option of defining value in terms of RGB and HSL as well. So based on your need, you can, customize the color of your bar charts. Now on the top here we can see the title. So here I can put like product sales 2025 versus 2026. Like this, you can add any title that you want. Now here also we can see some of pre-custom template. Let's say you still do not like this style, you can choose different one. So this one looks kind of extruded or 3D style. Then here we have got this kind of style. Then we can see these graphs are available in different style. And not only you can change it visually, but let's say you also would like to show or add more element to your chart. You can do that by going here on top left corner which says add chart element. Just click on that and there we go. Here you will see all kind of customization is available here. For example, data level, let's say you want to add these data level, you can do that. And that too, you have so many different style available. Similarly, let's say you also would like to add this legend, which will add this complete description in a form of table. That is also possible. So in this way guys, we can customize this whole chart based on our need. Not only that, you can also see the trend line that's gonna give you kind of glimpse how your sales figure is going on over the time. So that also we can do. So this is one style of column chart, I would say. Now let's say I would like to stack these. For that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click here on change chart type. Now instead of choosing this column, I can go with this stack type column as well. So now here we go. Here we can see. Let me make it large, and then I can see 2025 and 2026 sales of chocolate chip. So instead of now showing it with two columns, here we can see now we have shown these graphs in single column. And then again, I would like to make more customization here. So in that scenario, what I can do is I can actually change the chart type, and then let me actually use not 100% stack column, but the stack column. So this one actually I was looking for. By mistake I selected this 100% one, but now I think it now represent the data in a correct way when we compare it 100% stack one. So it looked decent now, and as we have witnessed last time, we can always customize this chart using add element. And then there is also quick layout available. Let's say you do not want to change the color, or you do not want to choose any one of them. You can go to quick layout, and then here you will see different way of showing your data. Isn't it amazing, guys? Just in a few clicks we were able to create this awesome looking visualization. Now let's say you would like to use a bar chart. So generally, we can get confused easily. This also look like a bar. Obviously this is a bar chart, but generally if we see Excel, this kind of graph is known as column chart. The bar chart are generally the horizontal one. So just you need to select the one that you would like to prefer, and within few clicks you will able to convert your column chart to bar chart. So in this way, guys, with the power of visualization, we can easily understand even the most complicated data. The visualization also help us to know and understand the trends, how things are going on, and sometimes also can help us to predict the future projection. That's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more such content. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.